This lecture explores three rapidly advancing areas of modern medicine: genetic engineering, stem cell therapy, and immunotherapy. These therapies are already being used clinically and are increasingly important across multiple areas of patient care. Genetic engineering, stem cell therapy, and immunotherapy are three major frontiers transforming modern medicine. Genetic engineering modifies disease-causing genetic instructions. Stem cell therapy restores damaged cellular systems. And immunotherapy enhances the immune system's ability to fight disease. Many advanced therapies, including CAR T-cell therapy, combine all three approaches. Genetic engineering uses recombinant DNA technology through gene combination and gene therapy. Gene combination allows engineered organisms to produce therapeutic proteins such as insulin and interferons. Gene therapy inserts corrected genes into viral vectors to deliver healthy genetic material into patient cells and target disease at its source. Current challenges include safe delivery, targeting specificity, and long-term gene stability. Gene therapy follows 4 steps. Identify the defective gene, package a healthy copy into a modified viral vector, deliver the vector into the patient, and integrate the healthy gene into the host cell's DNA. Successful integration allows the cell to produce the correct protein and correct the underlying defect. Gene therapy has shown strong results in inherited immunodeficiency disorders and is expanding into hematologic and metabolic diseases. Stem cells are defined by self-renewal and differentiation. Self-renewal allows continuous replication while maintaining the stem cell population, and differentiation allows development into specialized cells, such as blood, nerve, and cardiac cells. These properties make stem cells essential for blood cell production and the foundation of stem cell transplantation after marrow damage from disease or chemotherapy. Stem cells are classified as totipotent or pluripotent. Totipotent cells, found in early embryonic development, can form an entire organism and have unlimited differentiation potential. Pluripotent embryonic stem cells can develop into many specialized tissues but cannot form a complete organism. These differences influence both therapeutic potential and the ethical considerations surrounding stem cell use. Stem cell therapy is primarily used through hematopoietic stem cell transplantation to restore immune and bone marrow function after severe disease or high-dose chemotherapy. An emerging application is treatment of autoimmune diseases such as lupus, rheumatoid arthritis, scleroderma, and multiple sclerosis by rebuilding the immune system after ablating dysfunctional immune cells. Cancer cells evade immune destruction through 2 major mechanisms: avoiding detection and suppressing immune responses. Tumors may downregulate surface antigens to escape recognition and use pathways such as PD-L1 to inhibit T-cell activity. Immunotherapy works by overcoming these escape mechanisms and restoring the immune system's ability to recognize and destroy cancer cells. Modern immunotherapy includes 3 major strategies. Antibodies and checkpoint inhibitors target tumor antigens or block PD-1, PD-L1, and CTLA-4 pathways to restore T-cell activity. Immune stimulators, including vaccines, adjuvants, and cytokines, enhance immune recognition and activation. Cellular therapies such as CAR T-cell therapy genetically engineer patient T-cells to specifically recognize and destroy cancer cells. Immunotherapy fights cancer by either stimulating immune activity or blocking tumor-driven immune suppression. Vaccines, cytokines, and adjuvants enhance the immune system's ability to recognize and attack cancer, while checkpoint inhibitors block pathways such as PD-1 and PD-L1, the tumors use to silence T cells. Many modern regimens combine both strategies to strengthen anti-tumor immune responses. CAR T-cell therapy combines genetic engineering, cellular biology, and immunotherapy into a living cancer treatment. Patient T cells are genetically modified with chimeric antigen receptors, CARs, expanded and reinfused to target specific cancer antigens. FDA-approved therapies such as Tysagen Leclucel and Axicabtagene Ciloleucel are used for refractory B-cell malignancies. Major toxicities include cytokine release syndrome and neurotoxicity, requiring close nursing monitoring and rapid intervention. As advanced therapies enter clinical practice, nursing roles expand in education, support, and advocacy. Nurses must explain genetic engineering, stem cell therapy, and immunotherapy clearly to patients and families while monitoring for complex treatment toxicities and coordinating multidisciplinary care. Understanding the impact of these therapies also helps nurses provide informed, realistic support to patients facing serious disease. Genetic engineering, stem cell therapy, and immunotherapy are interconnected pillars of modern medicine. Genetic engineering modifies disease-causing DNA. Stem cell therapy restores damaged immune and cellular systems, and immunotherapy enhances the immune system's ability to fight cancer. CAR T-cell therapy combines all three approaches in a single treatment strategy. Nurses who understand these therapies are better prepared to educate patients, recognize complications early, and support complex clinical care.